wait till the lights appear. It's gonna come from right there. Yep, there it is.
Ain't gonna play anymore. Moving.
Yeah, I'm recording it.
Oh, okay.
What plane is
And that's
that?
it. Mark looking
Let's
at the plane.
see. That's Alaska Air, so that's definitely a Boeing 737. Was that a 787?
What are you doing, Mark?
No, not in there. Not in there. Not in there, Denise. Over there. Yeah, over there. I'm coming. Just look. Look. Come look.
What, Mark? What? It's cool, Mark. Come on.
This A321neo, American Airlines. Excuse me. Coming in, heading to LAX from I don't know where. This is probably the coolest thing I've ever seen. I put my tablet's battery on the lowest brightness so it doesn't die before I see the 747 that's coming. So, yes. Look at the jet that's coming. Just wait.
Mark,
What?
what are you doing?
Recording this plane?
I don't want to play.
No.
What happened? What happened?
I don't know.
I want to the airplane.
Grandma said no.
Aw, Mark, I want the airplane.
I'm gonna actually move here so I can get a flyover. Just wait. It's going. Come over. Oh my god. Look at that. That's sick. This bad boy. Oh yes. The 747 Korean Air 747. But that's the new livery. Love like commercial plane flyovers instead of like fighter jet flyovers. Cause yes, fighter jets are cool, but commercial planes are like bigger than fighter jets. And whenever they're at a low altitude, they're really loud. It just looks very cool. Like I wish they were like fighter jets and they could go out there and like do cool maneuvers and stuff. Like imagine a commercial airliner, like the Concorde, but it could thrust vector. Like imagine that. That'd be insane. But I'm gonna stop yapping and you could watch the 737 fly over. I'm about to go inside after this. For the flyover of the pencil. The pencil flyover to LA. Close to Elliot. There it is. That is loud. Holy. That's really loud. How do people go to sleep at night? This is really loud. A330 Delta Airlines. A330, I think A332. You can use it. That is loud. Oh my god. Yo. This is insane. Last one, and then I go inside for a little bit till 777 comes in. There it is. Got the WestJet. WestJet 737. And then there's a big one next. The Boeing 777. It's gonna come in a little bit. DHL Boeing 777. That's 777. Yes, 777. Right there. It's a big jet, you know. And people fly that, by the way. Just chilling out here, waiting for the 787 to come by. I found, can't see, but I found a ball. Oh yeah, found the ball. Ball right here. Hold on. My God. That's a 787. Oh my God. That's a Virgin Atlantic 787, and it's a fighter jet. I was not expecting. Was that the 737? That is the 737. That is the 737. So after the 737, it's gonna be the A350 to. I'm gonna go on flight whatever. I thought it was gonna fly over, man. That was not cool. It made me wait a whole on 4 minutes just to get a flyover that's like 3,000 feet away. Well, not a flyover, a flyby. Well, I mean, 777's gonna come over anyway, so it's gonna be worth it. Oh my God, my kid. I hear it. Oh my God. Come on, unblur, man. This is a 777-300 ER. Cathay Pacific Cargo or airline. So I waited 5 minutes for that. Cool. Finally about to get a flyover from a 737 8 Max. Here it is. Yeah, that was sick. And there it goes. You just had to go to a different runway. You had to go to a different runway.